Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today we're going to be testing this hack on how to get rid of water stains off of wood. This can work for furniture, different things, but we are using toothpaste today. I don't know, it said that it's supposed to work, so I'm going to give it a try. I figured if it doesn't work, no harm, no foul, but it seemed interesting, so let's give it a go. You basically just need to mirror it in over the water stain and let this sit for a little bit, and then take a damp cloth and wipe it off. So we're gonna see how this goes. So I just covered up the area. I'm gonna let this sit and we'll come back when it's ready to wipe it off. But make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's let this do its thing. I've let this toothpaste sit for about 35 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe this off with my damp cloth. No way, did that work? Oh no. Okay. That definitely didn't work. I thought for a minute it totally did. Okay, so I'm gonna say that this definitely does not work. It was fun to try though. It would have been cool if it worked, but if you guys know any ways to get watermarks off of wood without having to actually sand it down, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out with me while we gave this internet hack a test, and it definitely failed. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course, I will see you guys in the next video.